Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't find your Bluetooth accessory on the FAIRPHONE 4. So at the start, always when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection. You can also restart your phone. Little obvious I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pyro mode, and how to activate Pyro mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not for your phone. Go to the settings, swipe down to the system and choose the reset options. Now select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings and tap on the reset settings button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. And in the next step, try to update the system, so go to the system update in the settings, and if you have an update, just install it by this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.